Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the green daffodil seeds in Heartopia. So in this Call of Fields event, Heartopia introduced a brand new flower, the daffodil flowers. And in here, there are a starter seeds that you can get it from NPC Blanc. And it's available in 3 colors, red, white, and yellow. But don't worry, from here you can unlock many more colors using crossbreeding method. And today I will show you how to get the green seed. So to get this green seed, first make sure you already have the peach seeds and black seeds. And if you don't know how to obtain it, just check the tutorial in my Heartopia playlist. And then after you get that 2 colors, you can make the breeding setup. You can plan these combinations like this, like for example like this, like pink and black, or pink and pink, or black and black, like this. Just blend them side by side like this. You can just copy my layout if you want, and then after planting, just water them until they bloom. And after that, don't harvest the flower yet, just keep watering daily, and eventually you will see a floating seeds like this. The floating seeds means that crossbreeding work, and it will appear at the morning in game time. And just for tips to speed up, you can ask your friends to help water your plants. Is my experience, this really increases the spawn rate of crossbreeding seeds. And in my case, I got this green seed from pink and pink flower. So I will just pick up my green seed like this, and just like that you will get the green daffodil seeds. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.